Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 12. Chatting at a friend's house. Thanks for having me. Make yourself at home. Isn't your room really clean? I cleaned it yesterday. What do you want to drink? Do you have tea? Of course. Thanks. Isn't that sofa comfy? It is my favorite. Where did you get it? Online. Have you been busy lately? Super busy. Are you getting enough rest? Kind of. Aren't you hungry? A little. Should I make something? Please. Want to play games? Definitely. I will not lose. We will see. Have you seen that movie? Not yet. I highly recommend it. Let's watch it later. Isn't your cat adorable? So cute. Very friendly too. Always like this. Are you staying over tonight? Probably. Don't you have an early morning? Tomorrow is my day off. Are those snacks good? Really tasty. Where did you buy them? Near the station. Isn't the air conditioner too cold? A little cold. Should I turn it up? Please. Are you into that game lately? Every day. You seem really good. Not really. Isn't it already really late? Time flies. I do not want to leave yet. Same here. When did you take that picture? During last year's trip. You looked really happy. It was amazing. Want to put on some music? Do you have relaxing music? Give me a second. How about this? Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.